my refrigerator is talking to me. It says that it's time to replace water filter. It says that green is good, yellow is when we need to order, and red is when we need to replace. It was yellow, now it's getting red. I already ordered the filter, and I'm going to replace it. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I made sure that I have red number, and I purchased this time through eBay the necessary filter. To take all them out, what we need to do is push this button. It will release the filter, and here is a little handle that we can take whole piece out. There is a little black attachment that holds whole filter together and help us to put it in and out. To take this little piece off, I need to twist it, but I need both hands, hold the blue part and twist this counterclockwise, and it will come off, and same way I'll need to put it back on new filter. I took it already apart, but just to demonstrate, if it's in the position, you need to just twist it and take it off and put it back same way onto new filter. So this is my old, this is new, and I'll need both hands for this, but it goes like that till it catches the little thing, and then we twist it clockwise. I put it together, and it is ready to go back into slot. We need to make sure that these little pieces are in the right position, and I made sure that this handle opening is right way, not upside down. So that means it goes this way, that way. We need to go all the way in and push it at once till it fits in. It is a little hard, but I did it. It locked it. It may be some little water, in my case right now none, but that's okay. We can test it and make sure that it's not leaking. So that's what it takes to do that. All we need to do is open the door again and see how we reset this. And filter indicator reset is push switch 5 times in 10 seconds to reset filter indicator to green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is green already. So we will have some 6 months about before next filter replacement, but that's all what it takes. Very simple but good thing to do to have good tasty water. Thank you for watching. Like always, if you have comments or questions, do so in comments. Till next time.